Alright guys, so let's get started. Right now I'm just showing the molds. I ended up using the honeycomb mold. I have a hand mixer, spatula, and a whisk. And of course our crafter's choice goat's milk melt and pour soap. Here is a bit of coconut oil that I had already set inside. We got our bottle of alcohol, rosehip oil. Added about 1 full dropper of that. All right, and then of course our black seed oil. You can eyeball it. I use just 1 full spoonful. And our vitamin E capsule. You just cut it, squeeze it, and that's pretty much it. I really don't like to add too many oils because it allows the melt and pour soaps to sweat too much, so just an ample amount is enough. After that, I pretty much just warm up the oils on the side, of course, and then while that's warming, I cut up my melt and pour into pieces. Cutting it up allows it to melt a lot quicker. So there's that oil that we melted down, and then just gonna finish up cutting our melt and pour. Alrighty. And here's our red meal oats that I ended up blending down, making my own colloidal oatmeal. We pour in all of our oils inside of our soap. And y'all, the soap was hot. It was really, really hot. So I know y'all saw that steam in there. We mixed in our colloidal oatmeal a little bit at a time just to prevent any huge chunks. I wanted it to blend well inside of our soap mix, of course. Miah, she was talking and just entertaining me while I was mixing. I added a little bit of ginger for color. You don't really have to add ginger if you don't want to, but I usually add it just, you know, because it does bring a bit of the color for the oat look that I'm looking for. And here I'm just adding a bit of essential oil. We added a tiny bit of the colloidal oatmeal to the bottom of the mold. And here's some pouring action for you all. Love a good pour. And we pretty much filled it to the top. Excuse me. After I filled it up, we used the remainder to make some small little samplers inside of a lemon mold, but they actually came out pretty cute. I might add a picture of how they came out on the end of this video. And there's the lemon mold. Ended up filling those up to the top. Alright, so lastly, we just added in a bit of colloidal oatmeal, of course, just for texture and for the looks and all. And I added some whole oats at the bottom of the large loaf. And we also added a few at the bottom of the samples. And of course, here is our final look.
Thank you for watching. Comment below and go to the comments.
And subscribe for more content.
Bye.